Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mosumala. If you just stumbled on this channel, you are most welcome. And if you're a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig. Like, I've had this wig for a very long time and I just didn't like the fit anymore. Like, I think it was just unnecessarily long. I just didn't like it. So I cut it and I turned it into a bob. And I really like the finish. I like how it's not so long and it's not very short. So and if I don't like it again, I'll just cut it. But I'm just kidding. But I just think I like it like this. It's giving me a totally different look. Imagine if I wore the transparent glasses. Like, I'll just look like one serious corporate lady. I hope you like this smoky look. I'm going to show you how I did it as well. And if you want to see how we achieved all of this, please stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any updates from me. I love you and I'm going to see you soon. And that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye. I love you.